Duck Kennedy, I'm back. Today let's count to 20. Let's join my two French friends Claire and Jacques. Remember to speak out loud. Here is how to say 1.
Un. Un.
You may notice that this is different from how we said 1 and it's 1 o'clock. Do you remember how to say it's 1 o'clock?
Il est 1 heure.
In it's 1 o'clock, we use the feminine version of 1 to match the feminine word hour, while in this lesson, we use the masculine version. Here again is the masculine version.
Un. Un.
And the feminine version, used with counting feminine nouns.
Une.
Une.
You say both versions.
Un. Une.
Here is 2.
2.
Deux.
Again, the pronunciation is different from the 2 and 2 o'clock. Say 2 o'clock.
2 heures.
This difference is because the French 2 is spelled with an X at the end. When preceding a noun with a vowel sound at the beginning, the X is no longer silent, but is pronounced as the beginning of the second word. Listen to the difference again.
Deux.
2 heures.
You will hear this effect also with the words for 6 and 10, and also 3, because it is spelled with an S at the end.
Trois.
3.
3 heures.
Now you say 3 and 3 o'clock.
3.
3 heures.
Here is 4.
4.
4.
You say 4.
4.
Now from lesson 7 say, how much is 4 and 4?
Combien font 4 et 4?
Here is 5.
5.
5.
You say it's 5 past 1.
1h05.
Here is 6.
6.
6.
Say 6.
6.
Do you remember the 6 and 6 o'clock?
Il est 6 heures.
Here is 7.
7.
7.
Say 7.
7.
Here is 8.
8.
8.
Can you say 8?
8.
Now 9.
9.
9.
Say 9.
9.
And 10.
10.
10.
Say 10.
10.
11.
11.
11.
Now you say 11.
11.
And 12.
12.
12.
Say 12.
12.
13.
13.
13.
Say 13.
13.
And here's 14.
14.
14.
Say 14.
14.
Let's look at 15.
15.
15.
Say 15.
15.
When telling time, 15 minutes is also known as a quarter hour. Here is how to say it's a quarter past 1.
Il est 1h15.
Say it's a quarter past 1.
Il est 1h15.
Let's move on to 16.
16.
16.
Say 16.
16.
17.
17.
17.
Say 17.
17.
18.
18.
18.
Say 18.
18.
19.
19.
19.
Say 19.
19.
And finally, 20.
20.
20.
You say 20.
20.
Well done. Be sure to click the subscribe button so you'll be notified for each new lesson. See you next time for lesson 10.